Hello mga kapasyan, another place. Enter into a golden kingdom. A kingdom where the sides are made of gold. Okay? This is the palace. This is the golden palace. Tingnan nyo naman guys, ang galing ng palasyong ito. You know? Even if I'm rich, I'm not going to build this kind of palace because it's so exaggeration. Masyadong golden. Alam nyo guys, sa katitingin ko, para ayoko ng gold. I don't like the color anymore. Although it's attractive, but I don't like the color gold. Nakaka... Pero anyway, let's tour on this golden city. A golden city. I think there's seat. You can sit here for a while. You know, like that. Okay. And then, let's move on. Let's do a walking tour in this golden city. Okay. Are they people? What's inside? I think they're just day 2. Oh. Wow. No, I don't like it here anymore. It's creepy. I find this kind of place is creepy. It's only up to here. I think they're gonna renovate it inside. Kasi medyo na siya eh. It needs renovation. Yeah, kasi nangasira eh. Nasisira na yun. So, tingnan nyo naman. Yan no. So, nasisira na yung na. I think they need to renovate it. Tingnan nyo naman. Very intricate. Yung tingnan nyo doon. Huh? Kakaiba talaga. Dito. Okay. So, this is for now guys. Have a great day.